Hi, my name is Don Reed, and with me is my co-presenter, Peter Martin.
The title of our NADA workshop is Technician Recruitment, Best Practices in Hiring and Retaining Top Talent.
For over 25 years now, Dealer Pro has been voted the #1 fixed ops training company in America, helping new car dealers improve their service and parts processes.
I've had the honor of speaking at the NADA convention on a variety of marketing topics over the years. And because of the severe shortage of technicians, Don and I have teamed up to combine our expertise to provide a workshop that will help dealers address this situation.
In this workshop, I'll provide some industry best practices that will help build owner retention in your service departments, with a big focus on retaining technicians and training technicians, especially D-level technicians, to help reduce turnover.
During the workshop, I'll equip attendees with the most effective strategies for connecting with potential employees. This includes leveraging tools such as social media advertising, search engine marketing, job boards, online portals, email marketing, employer branding, and retargeting campaigns. Attendees will gain valuable insights into each method, empowering them to optimize their recruitment efforts and attract top talent to their dealership.
I'm looking forward to seeing you in New Orleans.